Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Chrissy and welcome. Okay, so guys, in today's video I will be showing you guys how I did my knotless braids. Quick disclaimer, I already said the molds. I did this video from from February or something like that, so in the year, and I did not post it for whatever reason. I did not make an intro and I didn't make an outro. So yeah, what I will do is insert like clips or probably pictures of like the finished product, because I don't think I actually did that in the video. And yeah, this is one of the items that I did use. I don't know if it was showed properly. This is the olive oil foaming mousse, and also this. I know for a fact this was not showed properly. Oh. But I got it here in Antigua. A girl made it, so yeah, I guess you could use any hair oil or whatever. Just make sure you oil your scalp, and you're gonna need the foaming mousse. The got to be glue I did use in the video was from Polly D, but you don't have to use that one. So yeah, that's just basically it, you know. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see me do in the next video, and yeah, turn on the post notification bell, and yeah, let's get into the video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Love is one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna get the braids and then we're gonna start. So this is how I separate my hair. So I'm gonna do section by section. So yeah, let's see how this goes. So I'll be back.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around. then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Okay guys, so you have made it to the end of the video. I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to comment down below what you want to see me do in the next video. Follow me on Instagram at playgirl.nay, on Snapchat at Cindy CIN.DIII, that's 3 I's, on TikTok at og.chrissy with 2 Y's, and yeah, turn on the post notification bell. And yeah, I'm your girl Chrissy, and I'm out.